Hey guys, Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at Business Growth Guys. And the question I'm going to answer for you today is, so what is social media marketing? It's a combination of content marketing and advertising. And we're going to look at each one of these separately. We'll start with content marketing on social media. It's you creating written, spoken, picture, or video content. So when you're posting on Facebook, you're creating content. And so Facebook will take a picture, some video, some written content, Instagram's a picture and some video and a little bit of written content. LinkedIn, picture, video, written. Twitter, short written content, picture, video. Pinterest, mostly focused on pictures. YouTube, video. However, you need to put a lot of text in your description to leverage the search engine. And then TikTok, video. So if you're creating content and posting it, that's content marketing. The big cost to you as a business owner is that you need to spend time, your time, creating and publishing this content. So what are the keys to success for content marketing and social media? Well, Roy Williams, our founder, likes to say, people will give you their time when you offer them entertainment, and they will give you money when you offer them hope. So in terms of content on social media, is your content timely? Is it intriguing? Is it insightful? Is it weird, bizarre, or shocking? Is it funny? Is it humorous? Is it sad or is it heartfelt? Because boring is just boring. You have to tug on the emotions of the person looking at your content. You have to put something out there that people will find entertaining so they'll spend a little time getting involved in your posts. So make sure you put a little thought into your posts on social media and you're taking into account the emotional impact it's going to have on your audience. Social media advertising is when a social media company has a platform like Facebook or Instagram to host the content, and they sell the advertising on that platform to make money. So it shows up as sponsored content like this Facebook ad on the right. So Facebook has ads, Instagram has ads, Twitter has ads, LinkedIn has ads, Pinterest has ads, YouTube has ads, TikTok has ads. Like I said, this is how those social media companies generate revenue, is by selling advertising. So they sell you an audience for you to put your advertisement in front of. The big cost to you is money, paying people to see your advertisement. That's what you're doing, is buying an audience. So a typical social media ad is made up of a headline. So this is showing you the back end of Facebook ads. You get to type in a couple of headlines, a description, the URL, where you want the person to go when they click on your ad, what you want the button name to be, an image or video that you're going to use in your ad. So your ads are made up of these basic components, and it doesn't matter what platform you're on, you're going to find that you need a headline to grab the attention, description of what it is that you're offering the customer, an attractive image or video to pull the person in, and obviously the URL and button where you want them to go when they decide they're interested in your product. So hopefully this has helped you understand a little bit about social media marketing. Do us a digital favor and subscribe, or at least give me a like on this video if it answered your questions. And if you have any questions about this video or anything else that I've spoken about, please put them in the comments and we'll answer them either in the comments or in an upcoming video. Thank you for your time.